Hey guys, bike check time. This is a Hyper Explorer hardtail. This is a budget bike from Walmart, but I have done some upgrades to it, and I tell you, I'm really liking it. I'm just getting into mountain biking, and gotta start off on this. I'm a former BMXer, and just trying to get my bearings back in the bike world, and I really like building stuff, so this has been a little project. So let me show you what I got. Okay, let's start up front. We've got the budget bars. Everybody's familiar probably with the Wake stuff. I got the Wake bars. They're 780 millimeter with the Wake stem. Not really sure how to pronounce that headset name, but it's a little budget headset. I got the budget forks. Of course, it's the Bucklows, and I'm sure everybody's familiar with those. You know, I'm not going to do any crazy stuff with this stuff. Like I said, it's just to start out. I did the tires. I got those tires at a really good deal from Nash Bar. They're the Forte Pisca 29.235. I really like them. The grips, also just some cheapies. I'm not sure the brand name. Some Amazon lock-ons, and I bought the little end caps for them. Let's see. Just put on a JG bike crankset with the external bearing bottom bracket with the Fuker pedals, which I'm really liking those. Did a KMC gold chain, little bling on there for you. Still got the factory snafu seat. It's okay. It's not great. I put this seat post on there because I didn't really like the seat posts on there. Not sure I'm going to do a dropper post on this bike or not because, like I said, I'm not going to do any hard riding on this particular bike. I upgraded the derailleur to an Advent microshift Advent with the clutch. I'm still using the freewheel, the Falcon Sacred that came on it. It's a 9-speed, and it works great with the new derailleur and shifter, so why change it? The wheels are double wall alloy, so that's good. Have not upgraded the brakes, which that's probably going to be next, is hydraulic brakes, because the brakes are kind of bad. Just a little homemade mud guard I did there. Advent shifter, which I'm really liking it. It's so smooth. This whole shifting system's really smooth, but you know, like I said, I'm a noob to all this. Manual lockout for the hub, or the fork, which is really, I only use it really when I'm riding wheelies and stuff. I did some different brake levers. They're just some old cheapy brake levers, blue. But yeah, that's about it on it. I'm just enjoying it. Been enjoying building on it and riding it. Getting my skills back together. Yeah. And I really enjoy a lot of you guys' videos. Got to give a shout out to Kev Central. For giving me a lot of information on these budget builds through his videos. Also give a shout out to all the other mountain bike community. Burn Peak, Skills with Phil, all those guys. Those are great inspirational channels if you're really into mountain biking and care about this kind of stuff. But I just figured I'd show you guys this. I know it's not great, and I know you guys got really nice, expensive bikes, but you know, some of us, you know, are just getting started out, so it didn't make sense to me to buy a super expensive bike yet. So, like I said, I'm just getting started out on this one, and you know, later on we'll see what happens. But I'm really having a good time with this. So if anybody's looking to get into it, I mean, I know Walmart bikes and big box bikes are not the best, but you can upgrade them and make them pretty decent. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Have a good one.